Want to move your Mint Mobile service to a new phone using eSIM? Here's the core process. First, ensure both devices are eSIM compatible and unlocked. Back up your data, as the transfer won't migrate your apps or photos. On iPhones, iOS 7.4 Plus is recommended. Go to Settings, Cellular, Your Plan, Transfer eSIM, or generate a QR code. On your new iPhone, scan this QR code via Settings, Cellular, Add eSIM, Transfer from another iPhone. For Android, the process is less streamlined. Use the Mint Mobile app or your phone's settings to attempt downloading the eSIM profile. If issues arise, and they often do on Android, contact Mint Mobile support for a QR code. Note that Android transfers might need factory resets or carrier app interventions. Deactivate your old eSIM properly and be prepared for a possible 1 to 2 hour process. Basic transfers are usually free, but expedited support might cost extra. eSIM transfers can sometimes fail, especially on Android, often requiring Mint Mobile support to prevent data loss or billing errors. Currently, Mint Mobile is working to make transfers more app-centric, using AI-assisted troubleshooting in their updated app to reduce errors. Keep in mind that Mint Mobile's eSIMs are tied to T-Mobile's network, adding some steps compared to direct carrier apps. Looking ahead, expect fully automated transfers via cloud-based profiles in the near future, potentially eliminating the need for support altogether. Mint Mobile aims to phase out physical SIMs entirely by 2026. Cross-device compatibility is also improving, with increasing standardization making iPhone to Android transfers easier, although Android still lags behind iOS. Stay updated with Mint Mobile's app updates for the latest transfer features and improvements.